So I dusted off all camera equipment, and it's been so long since I made a video, and a lot of people have been asking me to do an update video, and we did a couple of update videos like over a year ago, and
well, we thought we could go somewhere.
Exactly, yeah. And it's first time we've been away since last September when we went to Resorts World, right?
Yeah.
Which is a long time ago, and it's a long awaited breakaway, and we're staying in what they call the Fearless Suite, which is part of what they call the Colonial Suites, and they're all based on like all colonial islands, and they're full of bits and pieces from all over the world, and it's really, really cool. I mean, check this out, right? How many hotel rooms have you been in where they have a record player and a selection of vinyl for you to play? I've been really impressed with food in this place we're staying, actually, this Colonial restaurant.
And we get complimentary cocktails.
Yeah, we've been getting complimentary cocktails every day.
2 free cocktails the day we arrived. And we've just gone for breakfast this morning, and there's another 2 free complimentary cocktails. Now I'm like, give me a Pornstar Martini. Pornstar
Martinis, rum punches, red stripe, straight out of Jamaica. I've been loving a few drinks here. Cheers, Claire.
Cheers.
Ching ching. And how long has it been since we've been in a restaurant?
8 long months.
It's been 8 ridiculously long months. And do you know what? I'm definitely due some seafood.
Yeah, and it's nice to be next to the beach and see.
We're going to enjoy this. You've seen room's really cool. We've been walking on beach. We've been getting some drone shots. It's all good.
Food as well.
Yeah, we'll show it as usual. We're going to show food, Claire.
And hopefully we're going to see everybody soon. We'll do a Leeds meetup at some point when restrictions relax a bit more.
Yeah, cool. Of course
and
we will.
hopefully we'll get to Vegas in September.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, let's enjoy. I mean, look at this. Gale force. We've had 4 seasons, right, in like 3 days. We've had rain, beautiful British weather.
Lovely.
We've had hailstone, and
sunshine.
now we've got sunshine. we've got gale force winds. See, and just like that, wind stopped. I mean, holidaying in Britain, you just cannot guarantee the weather. This is the problem. At least when we go to Vegas and other places, you know you can guarantee weather. So we're on the harbour at the boathouse, and Claire's on the Prosecco.
Get on the Prosecco.
That's right.
Makes everything alright.
And check this out, I'm on there. What is this? The wild Cornish made California wild hopped pale ale. Oh yes, here we go, Claire.
I don't want that.
We're going to come here for a drink, Claire.
Sakis.
Just like you. Can't pass up a sweet treat.
So, Las Vegas news.
So yeah, Vegas. You might have seen on his Facebook group, which his Facebook group's been going quite a while now, but we did that since his last videos really. So if any of you want to join his Facebook group, that's where we generally keep all his Vegas chatter now on social media. So, and it's called Las Vegas and More with Nicky and Claire Furmage. So just look us up, get on there, and that leads us on to the fact that we've got it booked in September. We've got 4 nights Delano, 3 nights Cosmopolitan, 4 nights Bellagio. Now if it comes off, it'll be an epic trip. But I hate to be a cynic, I honestly don't think it's going to happen. And I hate to say this, and I'm not being negative, I'm just trying to be realistic, and we've lost 3 trips already. If we lose this one, we'll lose it, but if it does happen, it'll just be epic. And not only that, when we get home from here, Victoria Gate Casino's just opened. It's just gone, well, like 17th of May last week, everything opened up. So we're going to be back there in a couple of days, so we'll be doing a little bit of slot play and whatnot, and we'll show you all that. So that was just a quick video to keep you updated, as it's been a while. And we'll see you soon, eh Claire?
Yeah.
Because some gambling on the horizon. Take care guys, and we'll see you in the next one.